Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Alan Kushmarkov. Just a quick reminder, my free workshop on mastering the listing business is going to be this Thursday at 10 a.m. In this workshop, guys, I am excited to share with you my playbook on how I generate seller leads, how I convert those seller leads into the actual listing appointments, how we manage our listings, and then also the technology tools to support our business. In this content pack session, guys, I'm going to be sharing my top listing lead sources, the stuff that actually currently works for us. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys the scripts that we have and the entire follow-up system that we use to convert these leads into the actual listing appointments. Speaking of the listing appointments, guys, I'm going to show you our pre-listing materials that we include in our pre-listing package before we meet with the sellers. And then I'm going to walk you step by step on how I approach a listing presentation and how I handle some of the most common objections that we get from the sellers. We're also going to share with you our listing management action plan that we use, as well as the technology tools to support to grow our business. This is going to be a lot of information, guys, a lot of functional information that you can apply in your business right away. If you are an agent that is looking to add more listings into your inventory, into your business, or if, let's say, you're one of those agents that is tired of losing out the listings to another agent or to another agent, this is definitely a workshop for you guys. The seating is limited. We have over 30 people that are registered already. Again, this workshop is this Thursday at 10 a.m. Click on the link below, guys, and I see you then. Bye.